What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Friday Night Flights. We have 8 pilots for this evening, and I got a spreadsheet here. I made a new Google form, so if you haven't already, this is the preferred way to submit your footage. And one quick note, something that came up, someone submitted footage and the file type was AVI. Everybody's shooting in H.264 MP4 files, and I don't know, for some reason the AVI file I couldn't get converted because the file was like 2 gigs. So if you could, please, MP4 or .mov is the preferred delivery. But I'll just quickly run through the list of the pilots who are in this episode. I thought I would start doing this. So I've got Miguel, I've got Brad, Trevor, David Hill, Richard, Eddie, Rick, and Matthew. You guys made it into this episode, so thanks for sending in some footage. A lot of great shots, a lot of interesting shots actually. I'm pretty excited about this one. So with that being said, enjoy Friday Night Flights. I will see you in a couple of days. I'm actually in an Isuzu NPR driving to North Carolina right now.